Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thanks for joining me today. Alright, on today's video I'm going to be showing you how I use turmeric and coconut oil to whiten my teeth at home. So let's see how turmeric and coconut oil is good for your oral hygiene. So turmeric is one of those miracle ingredients that almost everyone has at home. Almost everyone. Compared to most DIY teeth whitening, turmeric is the safest, as far as you're not allergic to it, of course. This treatment lacks the side effect of most commercial teeth whitening, such as gingivitis and tooth enamel problems. Studies have shown that some of the benefits of using turmeric are teeth whitening, reduction of gum inflammation, and reduction of gum disease. Turmeric is a well-known anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial herb, making it useful for home dental care. Coconut oil, on the other hand, attacks the harmful bacteria in your mouth. It can also reduce plaque buildup, prevent tooth decay, and fight gum disease. For these reasons, oil pulling or brushing your teeth with coconut oil can significantly improve your oral and dental health. So adding these two natural ingredients together makes the perfect teeth whitening home remedy. So afterwards, you want to go ahead and apply that to your teeth, and I do that with a brush. I don't want to touch it. I don't like touching it because it's just going to stain your hands and it stain everything it comes in contact with. So make sure you have a separate brush, like toothbrush, and a brush to apply it. So this is me applying it, and afterwards I'm just going to leave that to sit in my mouth for at least 20 minutes. I'm just going to like swish that around my mouth and just oil pull like I said before, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse that with it like warm water, and then follow up with brushing my teeth with the turmeric paste, and then afterwards I rinse that out again and follow up with my toothpaste, my regular toothpaste, and then brush your mouth and brush it properly and thoroughly until your teeth is properly white and you don't have any yellow stain in your teeth. And I normally do this treatment like once a week because I eat a lot of chocolate. I love chocolate, so for that not to stay in my teeth, I try to do this treatment once a week. I oil pull with coconut oil like every other day. So yeah, this is my oral and dental hygiene routine. I hope you guys like this video. Do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Besos.